Hi guys, today I got a Monsuno trading card booster box to open up. There's 156 cards in the base set and 156 hollow parallels for each card in the set. Also a 12 ultra rares. So let's get right into it. Alright, let's get started on the first 8 packs. Alright, got Sonic Mind Scream, Terror Tail, Trade Strikes, Beam Barrage, Collapsing Defense, Hammer Strike, Flying Fury, Ricochets Monsuno, Tusker Rings the Hollow, Bren's Combat, Negation Plasma, Power Charge. And we have Machete Melee, Sonic, Hurriclaw, Hellfire Blast, Electric Barrage, Lightning Claw, Long Fangs Monsuno, Plasma Barrage. That's awesome. That's a ultra rare. And then we have Body Bullet the Hollow, Roll Shield, Taser Blades, Deadly Dust, we have Speed Blade, Sonic Mind Scream, Terror Tail, Trade Strikes, Beam Barrage, Collapsing Defense, Backslash is the Monsuno, Lightning Bash is the Hollow, Thunder Barrage, Tail Strike, Fortified Brace, Jaw of Light. Now we got Hammer Strike, Flying Fury, Reaper's Claw, Flame Fortress, Sinister Shield, Chaotic Claws, Whippers the Monsuno, another ultra rare. We got Wild Dust Surge. That's cool. And then we got Fang Barrage as the Hollow, Evil Extension, Trance Wave, and Restraining Siege. Okay. Whoops. We got Ballistic Repeater, Omni Blades, Machete Melee, Sonic, Hurriclaw, Hellfire Blast, Snap Claws or Monsuno, Reflection Bolts to Hollow, Blind Wing, Image Daze, Blazing Bullets, and Shooting Battery. 3 more left for this part. We have Shield of Light Shield, Bolt Bombardment, Molecule Disruptor, Spinning Wall, Hades Howl, Plasma Rain, Drift Blades and Monsuno, Shock Flames the Hollow, Cannon Shock, Phonic Shield, Laser Taser, Beam Force. We got Shockwing, Negation Field, Body Blades, Fearsome Flex, Crashing Shock, Dragon Fire, Quick Forces Monsuno. This is our 3rd ultra rare in the first part here. We got Dr. Eclipse's Strike, and then Wing Slash is our Hollow, and then Burst Barrage, Faultless Siege, and Fang Barrage. And our last one for this first 8 here. We have Mega Ram, Flight Blast, Malevolent Hoax, Infernal Spear, Orbital Light, Speed Blade, Cross Bolts or Monsuno, Cindeflex the Hollow, Power Bash, Energy Wave, Wing Slash, and Body Bullet. Alright, that's the first part, which is really good. We got Plasma Barrage, Wild Dust Surge, and Dr. Eclipse's Strike. So 3 ultra rares in the first 8. So that's pretty cool. I hope to get that in the next pack. So stay tuned for parts 2 and 3.